This is my second time trying to film this Nadine West unbagging. I've already opened the bag and I've already shown you guys all the clothes and talked all the whole while about the clothes, only to find out that I wasn't even recording. I don't know how many of us YouTubers do that, but it's my first time. So I'm waiting to hear a round of applause. I can't believe I did that. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I will go back over them real quick with you guys and then we'll get to the unbagging try on. So, first thing that I got is this purple top and it is beautiful. It is the softest thing. This is a size 1X. It is a V-neck purple top. You see the V-neck, short sleeve, and it's like gonna be really long because I'm only like 5'6". Maybe it won't fit like a dress, but it does have pockets in it on both sides. So I think I'm gonna like that. I don't know, we'll see how it fits on me. But it is a very pretty dark purple. I do like that. So there's one more look at it, and it's a bit of a, reminds me of a swing dress. You know how they swing at the bottom, and this one is definitely really, really big, but I do like it. So I'm gonna try that on for you in a little bit. And I have a second purple top, and this one is by Rags and Riches, and this one was by Zanana Outfitters. I believe that's who that was. Let me check before we get into the second one. Zanana Premium is who this one is by. So that one is pretty cute. And then, like I said, this one is from Rags to Riches, and it is a boat neck, cold shoulder, and it has, I think I'm gonna put my hand in here so you can see the detail on this part here would be on your neck, and then that would be on your shoulder. So that's going to be a really cute top, and it does look like a bit of a, there we go. So it would go like that. This would be around your neck, and then that, and then it has a tie front in it. It's really, really, really pretty. So I think I'm gonna like this one too. I think I'm in a spot of trouble. Now on my invoice, it does not list the tops as Zanana Premium or Rags to Riches. So I do not technically know, I know the prices, but I don't know what price goes with which top, if that makes sense. So one top, it says Eliza, and then parentheses it says purple. Well, both of them are purple. One is $24.49 and the second top is $26.99. Now the third thing and final thing that I have in my bag are these cute little shorts that I see other people have gotten, and it does have this beautiful lace detail on it, and of course there are the leg inserts, so you're not going to be showing your booty off, you know, but these are really cute. They have so much stretch. So these are by New Mix, and they are a 2X. I'm glad that they sent a 2X because I got mama hips, and they definitely take a little bit more room than other body parts. So I am going to do this try on for you. Before I go to try these clothes on, I would like to tell you that Nadine West ships. You fill out a style profile. It is a very small profile, but after a couple bags, they'll get you. You leave your feedback on everything, and then they know what to send you and what not to send you. And they charge you $9.78, and that's for shipping, but it does go towards anything you want to purchase in the bag. They send you a self-addressed prepaid shipping label. You stick it right back on your pink bag, ship it back off. Anything you don't want, put it in that bag and send it right back to them. I am waiting for the day when I can keep everything in the bag and I'm happy and they're happy. It hasn't happened yet, but I'm crossing my fingers. So I will see you in a few minutes with a try-on of these. And while I'm gone, why don't you consider hitting that subscribe button right down there? That way you don't forget on your way out after watching my video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up too. I would really appreciate it. And share this video, because as soon as we reach 1,100 subscribers, I'm doing a small giveaway to one person. And then every 100 after that will be another small giveaway until we get to 1,500. And then that's the big guy. It will be a big giveaway to one of you lucky winners. So go check that video out while you're waiting for me to come back with the clothes to try on. All right, I will be back in a second for you, in about an hour for me. I gotta cook dinner before my husband gets home. So you guys, I will see you in a little. Hey guys, I'm back with a try-on. It's only been a few seconds, a millisecond for you guys, but it's been a couple hours for me. I have on the purple top, the one that had the pockets, and the shorts. It's gonna look like I don't have any shorts on, trust me, but I do. Okay, I'm gonna back up and show you the shirt that is humongous. Okay, I mean, I like the color. It's cute, but it is really big. I just don't know. I don't think it does anything for my figure. I think it goes like this and then out. I don't know. But I mean, I think it's cute. It's long in the back. You could wear it like a dress, I guess. But here's the shorts. And honestly, the shorts, they're okay, but they're just, the liner underneath is, I don't know, something about it. This fabric just, there's not enough give in it. It's just really hard and tight. So I don't know if I really care for either one of these. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know, because I don't know. I showed my husband and he was just like, this does nothing for my figure. So I'm gonna try. Okay, I'm in love with this shirt. I like this shirt. The bra part though, I don't know. I need to get some smaller bras, but I'll bring it down. I'll show you the detail. I love this detail. This is so cute. You can see my bra though, and these are a little, see what I mean? They're a little big. So I don't know. Maybe I need to do some shoulder exercises or something. I don't know, but I'll bring it down so I can show you the tie detail on this. This is so cute. I like this shirt. I think it's really cute, and it goes down in the back, covers your booty. Very cute shirt. Very cute. Okay, I'm gonna come right back with a recap. Okay guys, so with these tops, I figured out the pricing on them. The top that I'm wearing is $24.49. I'm definitely keeping this top because I love this top. I love the detail. It's soft. The color is very vibrant. It fits well. The thing that bugs me though is the top with the pockets. This top here is $27. This top is in size. This is a 1X. This is a 3X. This is like, I think the size is messed up. I don't know, but this one seemed so big on me. And then this one seems to work all the way around. I will admit that these are a little hooky. but they're cute and I like it. So I'm definitely keeping this. I am going to send this back. And the shorts that are $23.19, these are also going back because the material feels like it's not soft lace. It feels like a doily. It's very rough on your skin. It was scratching. The parts at the bottom were scratching my thigh. And I just felt like I don't think I'm going to be comfortable, not even to lounge around the house in these. So these unfortunately are going to have to go back to it's a cute concept. I love the lace, but it is just so hard. The lace is hard. So I'm definitely keeping this top though. But let me know if you think that I should change my mind, that wait a minute, it really did look good on you, or do you agree with me and think, yeah, maybe you're making the right decision here. Those shorts, I don't have the best legs in the world, and I like my jean shorts, but I like the concept. I wish that the lace was softer and more gentle on the skin. That's my only qualm about them. I feel like if the lace was a little bit more flexible, maybe if after you washed them, maybe the lace would soften up, but it really feels like a doily that's been sprayed with like wax and it's just scratching my skin. They're beautiful shorts. I love lace, but I don't want the lace to scratch me. So this one's going back as well. I feel like it looked like a dress on me, and it's a top. It's not. And then I went on the website and I clicked on my shipment for this bag, and the way the model's wearing it is with a pair of leggings. Well, that looks really cute, but she don't have mommy hips like I do. I've had 4 kids and my hips are just from here to Timbuktu and back. And I'm okay with having some big hips, but I'm not okay accentuating them with this top. So that's it, you guys. I am so glad that you hung around, and I will definitely be keeping this top. The other 2 items will be going back. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Stop there. Matter of fact, like I said, stop the video. I will not hold it against you if you stop the video. Hit subscribe right now, finish the video, and then you won't forget to hit subscribe at all because you will have already done it. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you guys so much. You can never understand how much it means to me that you guys watch my videos. But I will have another video coming to you real soon. I'm going to show you what it is. Stitch Fix is coming your way. It is only my 2nd Stitch Fix, but I have high hopes for this box, and I will be getting one from here on out every month. All right, guys, that's it. That's all. I will see you for a Stitch Fix video real soon. Bye, y'all. Hey, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I'll leave my link down below in case you want to get a hold of Nadine West and get your own bag. Bye, y'all.